For the repair of light signal column (PCBs), the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220 volt AC power supply, 2 lamps. When we turn on the power supply, we can see that the unit reacts accordingly and all of the outputs are working properly. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that both of the light column PCBs are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.